Cooler weather is helping firefighters battle the Saddle Ridge and Sandalwood fires. In Riverside County, the Sandalwood fire killed at least 2 people. The body of a second victim was found yesterday. 76 homes in this mobile home park were destroyed. Another 16 were damaged. The fire is now 68% contained after scorching more than 1,000 acres. Now, here are the latest numbers on the deadly Saddle Ridge fire. It's now burned almost 8,000 acres, destroyed 21 homes and buildings, damaged another 11 structures. The fire is 33% contained. All evacuation orders have been lifted. Now, KCAL 9's Joy Benedict is live in the Newhall Pass, where the fire is still burning. Joy, how is it looking out there? I know it's still pretty dark, but are you seeing any smoke at all or any flames?
No, and that's actually a good thing, Amy. I mean, honestly, we drove around for about 40 minutes today, this morning, trying to find flames somewhere, anywhere up here in the area, and we couldn't find any. And quite frankly, that is good news for folks who live here in this area, but I can tell you, I can still smell it. I don't know if you can see behind me flickering in the distance. There are a couple of hot spots up on this hillside along the 5 freeway, but they're really hard to see right now. That is also good news, as I do know that the fire did burn through this area a couple of days ago. But of course, this is the fire that we have been watching for a couple of days now, as the Saddle Ridge fire started burning late Thursday night. It was certainly a situation that put many people on edge. In its height, 100,000 people were evacuated from all over the area, from Sylmar into Porter Ranch, as folks had just moments to grab what they needed and certainly head out of the hillsides and try to protect their belongings and, of course, their lives. And as you mentioned, unfortunately, more than 30 structures have been damaged. Some homes, several of them, completely destroyed. But as folks have now returned to their homes, many in this area who are dealing with this fire simply say they are thankful because they know it could have been so much worse.
There's a shooting range right next door. Oak shooting range. There's a ranch. Oak range was right there. And if that goes up, there's a lot of, there's guns there. And we don't want that. We want the fire to stop.
And even though we can't see the fire right now, that doesn't mean it's not burning up in this hillside. Again, a lot of flickering out there. Those are the hot spots that firefighters are certainly concerned about here this morning. This is an active fire. There are hundreds of firefighters working it right now. They are up there in the hillside doing what they can to keep the fire out of the way. But as we mentioned, with less winds and cooler temperatures, things certainly are on the side of the firefighters, and hopefully it'll stay that way. I'll send it back to you, Amy.
All right, Joy, thank you for that report. Certainly some good news for those folks out there.